In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Pipedrive user ID. This process is straightforward and will take just a few minutes. If you're using Pipedrive for your sales CRM and pipeline management, knowing your user ID can be essential for various tasks, such as configuring integrations or managing account settings. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Pipedrive website. You can do this by typing in Pipedrive in your search bar, or by directly entering their URL, which is api.pipedrive.com. Once you're on the home page, you should see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on Log In to move on to the next step. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one first. But assuming that you do, use your credentials to log into your account. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Pipedrive home screen. This dashboard might be familiar to you if you've used Pipedrive before. From here, take a look at the upper right corner where you should see your profile icon or initials. Click on this to drop down a menu of options related to your account. Once you've clicked on your profile, a menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled My Account. Click on this to proceed further into your account settings. This section is where you can manage your personal account details and preferences. In the Account Settings menu, you'll want to locate and click on Personal Preferences. This section allows you to customize settings that are specific to your use experience within Pipedrive. But what we're interested in today is hidden within the details here. Here comes the crucial part. After you've navigated to your personal preferences, take a close look at the URL displayed in your web browser's address bar. This URL holds a wealth of information about your account, including your user ID. As you examine this URL, somewhere in the middle, you should see a string of numbers or alphanumeric characters. That sequence, WAI, represents your Pipedrive user ID. Note it down, as this is often required for tasks involving external integrations or organizational settings. And there you have it. You've successfully located your Pipedrive user ID in a few simple steps. Remember, this user ID is essential for certain administrative tasks, so it's a good idea to keep it handy in case you need it for future reference. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you find what you were looking for. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through Pipedrive's support channels. Have a great day and stay productive.